Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to create a beautiful baby boom look using polygel at the comfort of your own home. We will also teach you our two-step method for making a perfect transition between colors. As always, start your manicure by prepping the nails. Gently push back cuticles and buff the shine off your nails. Size up the Rossi dual forms. Choose the dual forms that are slightly larger than the size of your nail. Next, apply Rossi primer. Paint a thin coat just like you would do with a nail polish and wait 1 minute for it to dry. Cover the natural nail with a thin layer of base coat. Do not skip this step as you need it so the Rossi nail gel will properly adhere to your nail. Cure for 60 seconds in Rossi LED nail lamp. You can quickly and easily squeeze the ready-to-use formula from the tube. Take a medium-sized bead of white Rossi gel and place it on the inner side of the dual form. Soak your brush in some rubbing alcohol and move it gently to create the length of the nail. Fill sides and check there is no product missing. Press it on 3/4 of your natural nail by placing the tip on the angle. Press firmly to avoid any air bubbles. If you are not experienced with this method yet, we advise you to do one finger at the time. Flip your hand around to smooth out the underside. After curing, you can carefully pop off the dual form. Remember, the dual forms are reusable. Shape the nails using a 100 to 180 nail file to create the general shape. Use a lint-free wipe soaked in alcohol and wipe the nails clean from any dust. Next, take a bead of pearl pink and squeeze it near the cuticle area. You can squeeze the product directly on the nail or use the double-sided tool. Using a brush soaked in alcohol, gently pat the product to create a fade. Keeping the brush close to the surface, continue until the nail is covered. Remember to buff the surface if you want to use a gel top coat or gel polish color and cure it. Finish by applying cuticle oil. Be sure to continue applying the cuticle oil over the days to come to keep your cuticles moisturized. Remember that this technique is a bit more advanced, so if you're having trouble with it, just keep practicing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.